Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Solutions of LLC, Louisiana's premier outdoor service company specializing in comprehensive lawn care, beautiful landscaping, and professional cleaning services. Our Louisiana roots, born and raised in Louisiana, we understand the unique challenges of maintaining beautiful outdoor spaces in our climate. From battling humidity to seasonal storms, we've mastered the art of keeping Louisiana properties looking their absolute best year-round. Get in touch with us and share the details of your project. We'll schedule a free on-site consultation to evaluate the scope of the work. Afterward, you'll receive a detailed proposal with pricing and a clear timeline for starting and completing your project.